Good day, folks. My name is Sean, and this is Air Photography. Today we're going to be taking a look at a weatherproof charging solution for your Hero 9 Black. This is by a company called 3BR Sports, and I have featured some of their products in the past. GoPro changed the form factor of the Hero 9 Black this year, so the folks at 3BR Sports had to go back to the drawing board and come up with a new design. And what they've done here is actually pretty incredible. They're pretty smart with the way they've engineered it. Now, this is one of those products that's not for everybody. It's kind of geared to a very specific user group. People who need to supply constant power to their GoPro, but also need it to be weatherproof, dustproof, and mudproof. When installed, your GoPro ports are safe from dust and debris, but also heavy rains. And that makes it perfect for those who need to do extended long time lapses, moto vlogging, and many people in the aviation and construction industry. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So as mentioned at the beginning of this video, I have reviewed 3BR Powersports products in the past. They work very well, and you know that you can trust that your GoPro is going to be safe from moisture when installed. Now, one thing you do have to keep in mind, it doesn't make the GoPro waterproof, so you can't submerge it underwater like this. But in heavy rains, even downpours, your GoPro ports are going to stay protected. They did change the design this year, and it's actually pretty ingenious as it now allows you to use the Max Lens mod with it. So let's go ahead here and I'll get it installed and show you how it works. When you purchase it, you get the frame itself and you get this specialized weatherproof cable. You also get a thumb screw for attaching it to things like a buckle mount if you so wish. You can see here how the end is all open, and that's what allows you to slide the GoPro in with the Max Lens mod. So the next thing we're going to do is remove the door. Then what we need to do is take the USB end and slide it down through the bottom there. Just feed it in. But before you get it all the way in, it's a good idea to attach it to your GoPro. Plug it in, lining up the USB-C port. And then we're just going to go ahead and slide it in. You're just going to apply a little bit of pressure to that door, just snug it in tight, and then line up that thumb screw at the top, and then just twist it in until it's tight. So now that it's installed, you can see we have full access to the record button at the top, the mode button on the side, the front microphone, and we have full access to that front screen. There's an opening at the bottom there so we can pull down our built-in GoPro mounts. And it's kind of nice that they're utilizing the mounts of the GoPro instead of having their own finger mounts. That cuts back on bulk and weight. We have a cold shoe at the side and a cold shoe there at the top, so if you do need to add any kind of accessory, you're able to do so. So then at this point, it's just a matter of plugging it into some form of power source, either directly into a wall, or like most people do, plug right into a power bank. Now, if you're new to GoPro and you weren't quite aware, you can plug this into a power bank and power your GoPro directly from the power bank. That allows you to record for long periods of time and long extended time lapses. So as mentioned, this is really handy in those situations if you're a person who does like to create overnight time lapses, or night lapses I should say. It may be calling for a clear night, but you might get a little bit of a shower throughout the night. This is going to keep your GoPro protected. When filming a night lapse, you have to film usually for a long period of time. And on top of that, if you're going to be doing a long-term time lapse, something that's going to be filmed over a couple months using something like GoPro Labs, that allows you in a situation, say that you're building a new house or a garage and you want to time lapse the progress, you could mount your camera permanently for like a month, plug it into a power bank, and capture through all types of weather. Now, just before I go here, I'm going to show you how it does work with the GoPro Max Lens mod. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the GoPro here. We're going to take our Max Lens mod. We'll remove the built-in lens. We'll attach the Max Lens mod. And as you can see, it just slides in this exact same way. And then again, we just close it up the same way. So if you are in the market for a weatherproof charging solution for your Hero 9 Black, definitely go and check out the 3BR Powersports website. I'll include a link to it down below in the description of this video. Now, if you have something like a Hero 8 Black, Hero 5, 6, or 7 Black, they do sell options, different solutions for those cameras as well. And just before I go here, if you are wondering, yes indeed, you can use this in conjunction with ND filters. Well folks, that's basically it for my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.